Hey guys, my name is Ray from Empire Digital, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make passive income with Printify on demand. It's absolutely the easiest thing. It's incredible. You sign up for free. I'll leave a link in the description, and let me walk you through how easy this is. Okay, I'm going to do a Valentine's Day t-shirt, so I'm going to go to my dashboard. I'm going to go to catalog. I'm going to go to bestseller. I'm going to use this t-shirt right here. It cost me $8.61. Shipped from USA, $6.33. Click here. Next, I'm going to go over to Canva, and I'm going to put t-shirt design for Valentine's Day. And I'm going to grab one of these designs. Let's go to this one. I'm going to customize this template. What we're going to do is add something in this design because you can't use this design directly. So I'm going to go to Elements. I'm going to go to Hearts. I'm going to add this guy right here. Move it up here. And now I can download it. Maybe put it right in the middle. Okay. Next, we're going to hit Share. Download. Transparent. Download. Okay. Once it's downloaded, I'm going to take it from here. Put that one there. And I did one before. Okay. Next, we're going to go to Printify. We pick this t-shirt out. Start designing. I'm going to hit Upload. My device. Grab this guy. Upload it. Beautiful. I'm going to center it. I think you can right click. Right click, no, okay. Center it out. Oops. Let's go this way. Boom. Next, select variant. I think I'm going to go with black if they have. Black. Yep, beautiful. I'm going to go gray. Navy, ice gray, nope, nope, beautiful. I'm going to preview it, beautiful, awesome, save product. Awesome. Backside sleeve, neck label, front side. Beautiful. Now I'm going to hit Publish. It's publishing. It's going directly to my Shopify store. Just to show you, I published my t-shirt right into my Shopify store. So with one click, it published it, and look how beautiful this is. I go here, it wrote a description, It put in a category. It gave me 10 suggestions. It gave me the pricing, the variants. Beautiful. Look at this. I'll clean up the description, and look how beautiful this is. Here's the product page. Look at this, guys. Guys, there you have it. Print on demand, make some passive income. Join millions of people doing this. And that's it. Cut.